the striking stories in the book that I read of Made in Aba, Life in Coincidences, was the story of the shoes that most distinguished bought, which is First Salary. I'm not going to share the story with you, but I would like you to buy the book and read about the story, because for those of us that have children, it would help us to teach our children how to live and how to make impact in the society without spending their money just like that. Without further ado, I would like to invite the chairman, His Excellency, Mr. Peter Obi, to come and give his welcome address as well. Opening remark.
Both of them together. Your Excellencies, distinguished National Assembly, honorable members of National Assembly, the big man that we all gathered here, mine is a very simple one, is to welcome all of you that are here, and I'll say good day to you all. I'm actually here in what I consider a dual capacity. One is as a representative of the PDP national leader, today, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, and then in my own capacity as the chairman. I'm even, in both cases, I'm honored, but even more deeply honored because of the personality involved that brought all of us here today, the big man, Engineer Abaribe. Engineer Abaribe represents what a legislator should be globally: a lawmaker, a law defender, and always he exemplifies what we should be in public office. Always having the courage to speak against injustice, falsehood, marginalization, and most importantly, speaking truth to power, which is very difficult, especially in our dear country, where doing so could be seen as an offense, a grave offense. I know that myself, because I know what I go through whenever you speak or whenever you speak in public or do any some of an interview, you will see people asking you, where did you get this figure? How did you arrive at this figure? How did you come about this? It even happened to me just this morning, not yesterday, just this morning, because I saw where MBS said that if you have 137,430 naira, you live above poverty. I said, we can't have our own standard that is different from the global standard. The global standard said what you need every day is $1.90. But our own is 300 and something naira a day. I said it won't work. Our standard won't be different. So I know what the engineer Abaribe goes through. And I encourage him and all of us to continue. I look forward to reading this wonderful book. I'm sure Made in Aba will be, for me in particular, I want to be a big man. So I will learn a lot from the book on how to be a big man. And also learn some tricks about how to manage persecution whenever you speak truth to power. Once again, you're most welcome, and I'm sure God will grant us a very successful event. Thank you, and God bless all of you.